reactive. I know that if I'm proactive, meaning in 5 days you purchased a membership with me just a few days, email that shows you how to download your mobile apps and give you more information about our service. Did you receive that email? Many times the member will say, yes, I received the email, but I didn't do it. My next comment is, listen, if you have a few minutes, it's only going to take us a couple of minutes. Let me help you get this set up. I'll walk them through step by step how to go to access.legalshield.com and get that account set up. Ladies and gentlemen, understand this. On any subscription, monthly subscription-based service, if I don't know how to use it, I'm not going to keep it. I'm not going to pay for a movie subscription if I can't watch movies. I'm not going to pay for any subscription that I don't know how to use. Neither should you expect your members to do that. So take a few minutes, especially on the ID Shield, and show them how they can proactively put in more information for us to monitor. Talk to them about privacy management and how to set up that account. Talk to them about the VPN, the password manager, the Trend Micro. Ladies and gentlemen, talk to them about the sex offender monitoring service.